An actor once told us they were saving money for their acting career by eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. 1 jar of jelly, 1 jar of peanut butter, 1 loaf of bread without the end pieces makes about 8 sandwiches, or 4 servings if you eat 2 sandwiches per meal. So our goal is to show you snacks and meals you can make for the same cost as PBJs or less. On this channel, we give actors tips and resources for getting more auditions from self-submissions while living a healthy and productive lifestyle. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Today's recipe, homemade popcorn. Popcorn is one of the healthiest snacks, which makes it great for actors on the run. It's a whole grain, rich in fiber, and healthy for the digestive system. And at the end of this video, we are going to give you a recipe you can download to save for later. Start with a large pot and coat the bottom of your pan with popcorn kernels. Next, pour in oil just enough to cover the kernels. Be sure not to add too much. Shake it around a bit just to make sure all the popcorn kernels are covered. If they're covered, you're set. If you need to add a little bit more oil, you can. You are not lining the bottom of the pan with oil. You are just barely covering all of the kernels. Place a lid over the pot and turn the burner on to medium or medium-low. Now we wait a bit. It will take a few minutes for the kernels to start popping, so just listen for the sound of the kernels starting to pop. When the kernels first start to pop, turn the heat all the way up to high. At first, the time between kernels popping will be fairly slow. As popping increases, shake your pot vigorously, but make sure to leave it on the heat. When the popping is slower, it's okay to take breaks from shaking, but when it starts speeding up, make sure you continue shaking all the way through. Once the popping becomes slow again, turn off the heat. Make sure you still shake a little so the bottom doesn't burn, and take the popcorn out right away. And you are done! Homemade popcorn in less than 10 minutes. Spice up your popcorn with toppings of your choice. See the links in the description below to download this recipe and get topping ideas. What are some of your favorite toppings? Let us know in the comments below. Every week, we share free tips and resources to help you get more auditions from your casting websites while living a productive lifestyle. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get up-to-date tips on living your best actor life.